Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I've been getting a lot lately. Does paysafe accept PayPal? I know that a lot of people are looking for ways to make online payments, and PayPal is one of the most popular payment methods out there. So, if you're wondering whether or not you can use paysafe to make a PayPal payment, I'm here to tell you that the answer is yes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your paysafe account to your PayPal account. I'll also discuss some of the benefits of using paysafe to make PayPal payments. So, if you're interested in learning more about how to use paysafe to make PayPal payments, be sure to watch this video until the end. What is paysafe? Before we get into the details of how to link your paysafe account to your PayPal account, let's take a quick look at what paysafe is. Paysafe is a leading online payment provider that offers a variety of payment solutions. Paysafe is available in over 200 countries and territories, and it supports over 40 currencies. Some of the most popular Paysafe products include Paysafe Card, Paysafe Pay, Paysafe Merchant Solutions. Paysafe is a safe and secure way to make online payments. All Paysafe transactions are protected by SSL encryption, and Paysafe is PCI DSS compliant. How to link your paysafe account to your PayPal account. Now that we know what paysafe is, let's take a look at how to link your paysafe account to your PayPal account. Go to the paysafe website and sign into your account. Click on the Settings tab and then select Manage Payment Methods. Click on the Add Payment Method button. Select PayPal as your payment method. Enter your PayPal email address and password. Click on the Submit button. Once you have linked your paysafe account to your PayPal account, you can use paysafe to make PayPal payments. Benefits of using paysafe to make PayPal payments. There are a number of benefits to using paysafe to make PayPal payments. Here are a few of the most important benefits. Security. Paysafe is a safe and secure way to make online payments. All paysafe transactions are protected by SSL encryption, and paysafe is PCI DSS compliant. Convenience. Paysafe is a convenient way to make online payments. You can link your paysafe account to your PayPal account, and then you can use paysafe to make PayPal payments from anywhere in the world. Flexibility. Paysafe offers a variety of payment options, so you can choose the payment method that is right for you. Cost-effective. Paysafe is a cost-effective way to make online payments. There are no hidden fees or charges associated with using paysafe. I hope this video has helped you learn more about how to use paysafe to make PayPal payments. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.